Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 7050 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily play some background noises. At first you have to open your app and now you have to scroll all the way down so that you can see soundscape. If you don't have this widget you have to pick edit widgets and select soundscape. Here you can click just on this one, this button over here, or click on these three lines with dots, and here we can play some other sounds like ventilation fan, white noise, pink noise, waterfall, diving, ocean waves, rainy day, songbirds, perfect storm, bubbling brook, cavern or crowd. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.